customizable magnetic racing stripe for the Performance and Performance Plus series locker is a great way to keep your garage setup looking one of a kind. And now you can create even more specific looks. With the ability to easily remove the magnetic racing stripe, you can switch which side the stripe is located on, or even double up the stripe on a single locker cabinet. To remove the stripe, start by pulling out the two support plugs at the top of the door that are holding the stripe in place. Carefully pull the stripe away from the top of the door, being cautious not to bend or crease it. Lower and remove the stripe from the slot at the bottom of the door. To reattach the racing stripe, simply hook the stripe into the slot on the bottom of the door and carefully push the top of the stripe over the top of the door, making sure to replace the support plugs. To attach a vinyl sticker racing stripe to your multi-use locker, slowly unroll the vinyl stripe down, ensuring the edges align with the edges of the racing stripe. Smooth out the stripe with your hand or a plastic scraper for maximum adhesion and to remove air bubbles. Add a customized decal of your favorite team's logo or an accent color to match your ride, and you've got your own limited edition locker set.